The piano. One of the most lovely instruments in the world. It is also one of the most difficult to learn. You need to take lessons for many years, which can take a lot of time and energy. Imagine if you could find a way to learn online in the comfort of your own home. Maybe you're in school and you need some extra help with math. What if you could take those lessons at home right with your favorite professor? Cooking, dancing, drawing, or learning French. Imagine if you could learn all of these awesome skills and more right from your own home. Wouldn't that be incredibly convenient? Instructster.com has the solution. Instead of having to leave your home or apartment to learn all of these new skills, we bring the instructors to you, right in your own home and right on your own computer. On Instructster.com, all you have to do is create your profile, and you can start learning any of the dozens of new skills right from your home on your PC. Your profile allows you to start learning whatever you want, whenever you want. Find a teacher and a time that fits your schedule, and you can start learning as soon as tomorrow. There are so many things to learn here at Instructster.com. Find your classroom, and you can start your French lessons, or yoga lessons, or your math lessons, or your... Taking lessons on Instructster.com is very reasonably priced. The classes start and end at specific times so that you can fit them into your schedule. You'll never have to worry about being late or getting stuck in traffic because all your lessons are online. Imagine how surprised your friends and family will be when you play them a song on the piano. They won't believe it when you tell them that you learned at home in your room. Better yet, if you're a professional with a skill that people are looking to learn, you can sign up and start making money on Instructster.com by having your own classroom. So no matter what you want to learn, or if you want to teach people and make a living online, sign up with Instructster.com today and start learning or teaching that skill ASAP.